Have you ever heard about crypto airdrops and wondered what they could be? If so, you clicked on the right video. Without any unnecessary details, let's get straight into it. Airdrops are simply free tokens or coins given out by developers. Yes, they are deposited directly into your crypto wallet and completely for free. Sounds amazing, right? But as with anything, there are a few issues you should be aware of. But first, let's break down why developers do this at all. Imagine starting a t-shirt company because your grandma told you that you are very creative. You make a bunch of t-shirts, put them on a website and wait for orders to come in. However, without any good advertising, no one will ever notice that you even exist. So after that, you have only two possible options. First, you can pay some YouTubers to mention it in their videos. However, this is pricey and many people skip this part of the video anyway. The other option is to give your t-shirts to random people. If they like them, they can become potential new customers. And what's more, it can even expand to their group of friends, resulting in even more customers. This creates awareness and excitement about your new product, typically leading to a successful project. And this is exactly why developers do it. Free tokens attract attention and encourage people to talk about them, which also increases the coin's value. Another possible reason is user engagement. In this case, developers airdrop coins in exchange for providing your email address or for following them on social media. You might think it's just an email, but it opens up a whole space for advertisements at no cost to them. However, be cautious with this approach. Some crypto projects might ask for more than just an email. This could potentially lead to phishing scams. Also, never give out your private keys to anyone. No legitimate projects will ever ask for them anyway. Therefore, always do a good research before engaging with an airdrop. Now that you understand what airdrops are and why they happen, let's explain how to get them. The first requirement is owning a cryptocurrency wallet. Additionally, make sure that your wallet accepts various tokens. If it doesn't, you won't be able to receive airdrops even when you should. Secondly, you should also own some base tokens like Ethereum or Bitcoin. This is because many crypto projects are built on these coins, meaning they use their blockchain to operate. Therefore, owning these base tokens increases your chances to receive airdrops. In some cases, you may need to hold a minimum quantity of the crypto coin you want to get airdropped. Alternatively, you may also need to perform a certain task, such as posting about the currency on social media, connecting with a member of the blockchain project, or writing a blog post. It all depends on the crypto project itself. But the most valuable advice I could give you is just to stay informed. Companies often publicly announce airdrops and other promotions. Consider following them on social media, forums, or even a Discord. Also, don't forget to check out websites like airdrops.io or coinmarketcal.com for more information about upcoming airdrops. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.